This is Emhape Tech with new video. Sony has embraced the curve, and the Xperia XZ2 and its smaller Xperia XZ2 Compact are the result. Making their debut at Mobile World Congress 2018, the two Android phones are the company's biggest departure yet from their angular design language of old, though buyers are likely to be more swayed by the much shrunken bezels. On the Xperia XZ2 they're around a 5.7-inch HDR display, while the XZ2 Compact gets a 5-inch panel. Inside, there's Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and 4GB of memory, while on the back there's a 19-megapixel camera that can now record 4K HDR video. A new 960fps Full HD Super Slow-Mo mode has been added, too. Both front and rear cameras can now be used for Sony's 3D scanning, with support for sharing those scans on Facebook. Meanwhile, there's SDR to HDR up conversion, Qi wireless charging on the Xperia XZ2, and Verizon certification on the Xperia XZ2 Compact. A new haptic motor on the Xperia XZ2 also throws in more immersive vibration. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.
We'll be right back.